Good day, everyone. So I'm here to teach you how SQL case works. So first, what is SQL? The SQL case function is a powerful and versatile conditional expressions that allows you to perform conditional logic within your queries. It is used to evaluate multiple conditions and return different values or perform different actions based on the results of these conditions. Essentially, it's a way to create conditional statement within your SQL queries. So this is the example syntax of SQL case. The condition is to be evaluated. The results, the value or expressions to return when the corresponding is true. Else result is the value to return when none of the conditions are met. Reminder, this is optional. So now let's proceed to the tutorial. First, let's open the server first and type the use Northwind. After typing the Northwind, let's proceed to the syntax. This part of the query selects the customer, city, and country columns from the customer's table. From customers, it specifies the customer tables as the source of the data. Order by, this class sorts the result set based on a specified condition or column. In this case, it uses a case expressions to define the sorting logic, and the case is a way to perform conditional logic. When city is null and country. When city is null and country, for each row the city value is null, the query will use the country value for sort. Else city. If the city value is not null, it uses the city value for sorting. And the end marks the end of the case expression. So now let's execute it, and this is the final result of this query.